The Jigsaw is a very important power tool for Bosch. In fact, we invented it in 1946. The machine I have here is an example from 1952 and is very similar to the very first production Jigsaw. In front of me I've got the range of professional jigsaws, including cordless tools ranging from 14.4 through 18 to 24 volts. And over here we have three examples of corded tools with cut capacities ranging from 90 through 120 to 135 millimeters with the GST 135 BCE. I want to focus on the GST 135 BCE because it features a unique system known as precision control, which almost eliminates this blade wander which can cause problems for jigsaw users. The precision control system comprises two tungsten carbide tipped jaws which, when activated, clamp the blade and prevent it from wandering. You can see at the moment with the blade fitted there's considerable movement, which is normal on a fast blade change jigsaw. By pressing this red button on the side of the gearbox, the jaws automatically tension and grip the blade lightly to remove the possibility of serious wander. Just going to fit a blade on the GST 135. Very easy thanks to SDS tool-free blade change. I'm now going to use the machine with full pendulum action to make a plunge cut in this piece of timber. Precision control on. As you can see, even in this quite thick material, we've got a 90-degree perfect angle here. As well as precision control, this machine features electronic variable speed both on the trigger and on the pre-selection wheel at the rear. So you have fingertip control on that all-important speed. SDS blade change has already been shown, but uniquely this machine also features SDS base adjustment. So if you want to make bevel cuts, you can simply do that by loosening this lever and dropping the base over to 45 degrees in either direction.